Thanks for coming and checking out my crib. This is my turkey coop converted into a studio. This is my cello player in my studio, which used to be the turkey coop. Do you mind if I just put this outside the door for a second? Should we run through Dondet?
Sure.
Or now?
Dondet. Absolutely.
2, 3, and... Does a fisherman throw out any fish to sea let go so quiet in the morning? How many trips does a long tail take? When does the sweeper take his break to slake his thirst in the lake with a fountain right in the mountains? A springbok and a rooster crow and the whisper buzz of insects scroll and slow down in the heat. The coconut milk and whiskey sour, colorful silk to drape around our necks as we walk down the beach. Oh, the way that you do in your bare feet, yeah. Oh, it's unusual to meet someone like you. I say it's beautiful too. Frame built pressed up against the banks of the Mekong River. Well, crickets relay the dealings and wars with a basket of rice with every corner shivering me up for my midnight. It's a naked boy and a little girl, and mother's hands reach out and twirl the ladle round the supper hall. And daddy smells the nicotine, fills the tank with gasoline. Now we roll our motorcycles down the street, and the wind on top of my face is so sweet. It's unusual to meet someone like you. I say it's beautiful too. Usually we're better.
That was wicked for a chicken coop concert. You could do the whole show in here all the time.
I was thinking about doing like kind of the turkey coop diaries sort of thing.
I think it'd be awesome.
A little series you put up on YouTube.
It sounds amazing.